Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from AAA Engineering Berhad Company, and as known by the people locally and internationally, we are the best provider of the flow meter measurement tools, either for industrial use or home-based use. Today, I am about to present about the Vortex Flowmeter. What is Vortex Flowmeter? Vortex Flowmeter is a flow measurement device that is best suited for flow measurement where the introduction of moving parts present some problems. This Vortex flow meter measurement available in industrial grade brass or all plastic construction. Sensitivity to variation in the process conditions are low, and with no moving parts have relatively low wear compared to other type of flow meters. Vortex flow meters operate under the vortex shading principle, where an oscillating vortexes occur when a fluid, such as water flow part, pass a bluff, or known as opposed to streamlined body. The frequency that the vortexes are shed depend on the size and shape of the body. It is ideal for application where low maintenance costs are important. Industrial size vortex meters are custom built and require appropriate sizing for specific applications. Next, for the description of this Vortex Flowmeter, I will pass to my friend.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thanks to my friend, Mr. Nurdin, for the good briefing about the introduction of Vortex Flowmeter. Now with me, I'm going to walk you through the description and the design for this Vortex Flowmeter. Okay, it is made up from 316 stainless steel, or it is known as HES alloy. The description of HES alloy, it has a good strength and it's quite suitable for things that work under high temperature or pressure. So that's why we choose HES alloy for this for the material for Vortex Flowmeter. Okay, and then the design, okay, the shape, it includes a bluff body, a vertex sensor assembly, and has a barometer, has a transmitter electronics. So it's not just a mechanical tool, but it is a combination of electric and mechanical. Okay, and then we go to the shape. Okay, if we look closely, there is no a shape that is it's easily I can make you understand, because it is a combination of various of shape. Okay, if you look here, we have square, rectangular, T-shape, and trapezoidal. So it's quite a complicated design, but as long as it can function very well, I think it's not a problem. Okay, and then the size is available in from 1/2 inch to 12 inch, and the sensor that we use for Vortex Flowmeter is piezoelectric, or what we call capacitance type sensor, to detect the pressure oscillation. Okay, the reason why we choose piezoelectric, because it can withstand high temperature from cryogenic to superheated steam. So I think the range is quite wide, so I think it's not gonna be it's not going to give you any problem. And then the sensor is quite modular, inexpensive. So I think it's very affordable to all the businessmen or somebody that's going to use this Vortex Flowmeter. Okay, and it is easily replaced when it is broken. You can find spare part as fast as you can. You don't need to order it online. You just walk through the store and you will get it. Then you can open over a wide range of temperature. Okay, that's all for me. Now I would like to invite Mr. Amir Ashraf for the description. Thank you very much. See ya.
Okay, thank you to my friends, Mr. Amiruddin and also Mr. Azlan. Now I will drive you to the application of this Vortex Flowmeter. First, the Vortex Flowmeter are usually recommended for batching and intermittent flow application. This is because the dribble flow rate setting of the batching station can fall below the meter minimum Reynolds number limits. The smaller total batch, the significant resultant error is likely to be low pressure gas do not produce a strong enough pressure pulse, especially if the fluid velocity are low. Therefore, it is likely in such service the range of the flow meter will be poor and the low flows will not be measurable. Vortex flow meter are among the most versatile flow meters. This is because they can widely measure steam flow measurement that cannot be measured by other flow meters. The main type of steam includes the wet steam, saturated steam, and also the superheated steam. The main advantage of this Vortex flow meter is that they have low sensitivity to variation in process condition and low relative orifice or turbine. Also, initial and maintenance costs are low, so it's good for you to choose this flow meter. For this reason, they have been gaining widely acceptance by the users. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you guys, until we meet next time.
Okay guys, from all the explanation that we have given to you, so I think all of you should have a better understanding for Vortex Flowmeter. I know this thing is quite rare and it's not easily to find for you guys, but for certain users, I think they can have a better understanding. So, is there anything that you want to share with them?
Okay, I think that this Vortex Flowmeter is a very good flow meter compared to other flow meter because it can measure even steam flow rate because other flow meter cannot do that.
Yeah, that's so obvious. I think he has something to say, but I will butt out because I think it's quite strange for me. So,
for all engineering application, we have the right solution. Thank you.